Good morning, F2, and welcome to our maths lesson today. Have a think. What day is it today? While you're thinking about that, let's sign the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yesterday, it was Tuesday. So what day is it today? If you said Wednesday, you're right. My turn. Today is Wednesday. Your turn. Well done. Today we're going to keep practicing our counting using numbers between 0 and 20. Don't forget that your team numbers need the n sound at the end. Ask your grown-up to listen as you're counting to check that you're using them correctly. Today we're going to count from 6 up to number 15. First, we're going to count forwards, and that means our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Our numbers are increasing on our number line, and we're adding one more every time that we count. Let's start at 6. Off we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This time, let's count backwards. Don't forget, when we count backwards, our numbers get smaller. Off we go. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now let's practice counting from 13 to 19. This time we are saying all of our team numbers. First, we're going to count forwards, and remember, that means that our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now we're going to count backwards, and that means our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Our next little warm-up job is to have a look at the Numicon pieces that you can see. What I'd like you to do is to write down the number that each Numicon piece represents. Pause the video while you have a go at these 3 Numicon pieces. Then come back and we'll check it together. Okay, let's have a look. What Numicon piece is this? Yes, the number it represents is 2. What about this one? That's right. The number that it represents is 7. And this one? Yes, it represents the number 3. Let's move it over. Here we have some more Numicon pieces. Have a go at writing down the number that each Numicon piece represents. Then come back and we'll check it together. Pause the video while you have your turn. Okay, now that you've done that, let's do it together. So this Numicon piece represents, that's right, it's number 1. This one. Yes, it's 9. And this one? Well done, it's 5. What about this one here? Yes, that's right, it's 6. And this piece? Well done, it's 8. And the last one? Well done, it's 4. Well done if you got all of those correct. Now, today we're going to continue learning how to identify circles and triangles. So let's remind ourselves about what we were learning yesterday. So here is a triangle. Can you remember? How do we know that it's a triangle? Pause the video and use the red sentence at the bottom of the screen to tell you're grown up. I wonder if you said that you know it's a triangle because it has 3 straight sides. If you did, you were right. 1, 2, 3 straight sides. What else does it have? Well done, it has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Remember, not all of our triangles need to look the same. They just need to have 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Let's see what happens when we turn this triangle around. Oh, it changes when we turn it around. Well, it looks a little bit different, but it doesn't matter. Whichever way we turn it, it's still a triangle. It still has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Here's the other shape that we learnt about yesterday, and it's a circle. How do we know that it's a circle? Pause the video and use the red sentence at the bottom of the screen to tell your grown-up how you know. I wonder if you remembered. I know that this is a circle because it has 1 curved side. And our 1 curved side goes all the way around our circle. Can you remember what happened when we turned the circle around? It doesn't change. It looks the same. That's because it has 1 curved side that goes all the way round. Now, here is a piece of artwork, and it's made by somebody called Kandinsky. He liked to make pictures using shapes. Have a look. What shapes can you see? Pause the video and use the red stem sentence at the bottom to tell your grown-up what shapes you can see. What shapes did you find? I can see circle shapes. Is that what you said? There are lots of different circles, small ones and big ones, red ones and yellow ones. They all look different, but they all have 1 curved side and they are all circles. What about this picture? Pause the video and use the red stem sentence at the bottom to tell your grown-up what you can see. I wonder what you said this time. Did you see a different shape? I can see circle shapes again. Did you spot the circle shapes? Here's a circle with 1 curved side. There are lots of other circles too. I wonder if you said a different shape. Oh, I can see triangle shapes too. Look at that great big triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 straight sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Did you spot those shapes too? Well done if you did. Now, I want you to have a little think before we do this next job. Have a think. What does a circle have? What property does a circle have? Use the red sentence at the bottom to help you. It says a circle has what kind of side? Pause the video if you need to while you work it out. Okay, so a circle has 1. What kind of side does it have? Yes, it has a curved side. It has 1 curved side. What about a triangle? Pause the video and think about the type of side that a triangle has. How many corners does it have too? Okay, let's see if you got it right. So a triangle has 3 sides. Well done, it does. It has 3 sides. What kind of sides are they? Are they curved like the circle? No. Our triangle has straight sides. 3 straight sides. And how many corners? That's right. It has 3 corners. Right, so now we are ready to have a look at our picture. Here is a picture. That is a sunshine, and it's made using 2 shapes. I wonder if you can spot what the shapes are. Pause the video while you have a little look and use the STEM sentences that we filled in at the bottom to help you to identify the different shapes. Then come back and we'll have a look together. Okay, now let's have a look. So one of our STEM sentences says, a circle has 1 curved side. Did you spot the circle in the picture? You did? Well done. It's here in the middle. A large circle with 1 curved side. And the next STEM sentence says, a triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Let's see if we can find a triangle. Oh, this looks like a triangle at the top. It has 1, 2, 3 straight sides, 1, 2, 3 corners. Here is a triangle. And look, here is a triangle too because it looks the same. And another and another. There are triangles all the way around our circle. Well done if you spotted them. Now, let's fill in our STEM sentences again before we have a look at this picture. So think about a circle. Pause the video and tell your grown-up, what properties does a circle have? Let's see if you got it right. A circle has 1. What kind of side? 1 curved side. Well done if you got that right. Now pause the video again and work out the properties that a triangle has. Then come back and we will look at it together. Okay, let's see if you got it right. A triangle has 3 sides. What kind of sides are they? Are they curved like the triangle? Are they curved like the circle? No, they're not. They are straight sides. Well done if you got that right. So 3 straight sides. And how many corners? Yes, 3 corners too. Now that we know that, we can have a look at our picture. Now, I have made a picture of a cat, and it's made up of circles and triangles. But can you work out which shapes are the circles and which shapes are the triangles? I want you to pause the video and have a look. Use the STEM sentences that we've just filled in at the bottom to help you to find the correct shapes. Then come back and we'll check it together. Okay, so it tells us at the bottom in our STEM sentence that a circle has 1 curved side. Did you find the circles? Let's have a look together. So here we have, here's a circle. The cat's face is a circle. It goes all the way around. It has 1 curved side. So 1 curved side that goes all the way around. Fantastic. Any more circles? That's right. The eyes are circles too. And the nose is a circle. Well done. Now, the next STEM sentence says, a triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Did you spot any triangles? You did? Where did you spot the triangles? You're right. The ears are triangles. 1, 2, 3 straight sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Here's another one that's the same. That's a triangle too. Did you spot any more triangles? Oh, these were tricky ones, but here we have some whiskers with 1, 2, 3 straight sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. So all of our cat's whiskers are triangles too. Well done if you spotted those. They were really tricky ones. Now, here's our last one. Let's fill in our STEM sentence together. So a circle has, what properties does a circle have? Tell your grown-up. You're right. A circle has one side. What does that one side look like? It's curved. You're right. It is. Our one side on our circle is curved. What about the triangle? How many sides does a triangle have? Yes, a triangle has 3 sides. Are they curved like the circle? No, they are straight sides. And how many corners does a triangle have? That's right, it has 3. Well done. Okay, now I want you to pause the video and have a look at this snowman. I've made him using circles and triangles. Can you spot which shapes are which? Pause the video while you have a go, then come back and we'll look at it together. Okay, let's see if you've found all of the shapes. So just like our cat, our snowman's face is made out of a circle. He has one curved side that goes all the way around, and that makes it a circle. Can you see any more circles? You're right, the eyes are circles too. And the mouth is made out of circles. Well done. They're very small, but they still have one curved side, and that makes them a circle. What about the triangle? Where is the triangle on our snowman? Oh, that's right. The triangle is the snowman's nose. It has 3 straight sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Well done if you spotted that. Now, here's your job for today. What I'd like you to do is draw some triangles and some circles like those that you can see in the picture below. Ask your grown-up to help you. Then I want you to cut them out and make your own picture using shapes that are circles and triangles. When you've finished your picture, you can send a photograph to your class email address so we can see how you got along. Maybe you could tell your grown-up about it and they could write it in our email so that they can tell us what you said. That's the end of our maths lesson for today. See you again tomorrow.